How to fix Star Ocean: The Divine Force low FPS and stuttering. 1. Enable precompiled shaders in graphics under system. 2. Install latest graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Roll back graphics drivers, if you can. 4. Update the game. Five. Play the game on dedicated graphics card. Like this. 6. Run it. Game as an administrator. 7. Try window mode and lower the graphics settings. 8. Update Windows. 9. Verify the game files in Steam. 10. Disable overlay and stop using overclocking apps.